Hi guys, welcome back to Nduta's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some black beans, or if you like you can call them Njahi, because that's how we call it from where I am from. I know not so many people like Njahi, but I'm going to show you guys how to make it so that it is good for you and your family. So I have here around 200 grams of already boiled black beans. I have some paprika and curry powder, some salt, 2 tomatoes, 1 red onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, and 1 yellow bell pepper, 1 courgette, 3 pieces of carrot, and finally some ginger and garlic. So I'm going to go ahead and start preparing all my ingredients. I like to bring you along this whole process because I want you to feel like you're part of this process. So we're going to go ahead and chop things up and cut things up, and then we're going to continue with the whole cooking process. So we're going to start cooking now. So I'm going to add a little bit of cooking oil into my pot, add in my onions, let them soften a little bit, and then I'm going to add my mashed ginger and garlic, and I'm going to cover them again and let them cook for a while. Once they're cooked, I'm going to add my tomatoes first, because I want these tomatoes to cook to a point where they're going to disappear completely into my stew. Once my tomatoes soften completely and they can be mashed together, I'm going to add my red, yellow, and green bell peppers. I'm going to add my courgette, my carrots, some salt, around 1 teaspoon of salt, and my dry spices, which is curry powder and paprika. And then I'm going to mix them all together nicely, and then I'm going to cover them and let everything blend in together. Once everything has started softening up, I'm going to go ahead and mix it again properly and mash in some of my tomatoes, and then I'm going to add in some of my homemade natural yogurt. This is optional, but it is highly recommended because it makes your soup very creamy, very thick, very milky, and that is a very nice addition to your stew. If you like, you can add in some coconut milk or any kind of creamy ingredient just to add in that creaminess into your soup. Then once everything has cooked together, I'm now going to add in my black beans. And here, guys, is where it will determine whether you're gonna have a nice flavorful pot of black beans, or you're gonna have the black beans that people say, oh, my black beans zinanigwara throat, or zina taste kama sabuni, or sijui nini. This is what you do. Once you mix everything, cover it, then reduce your heat to the lowest heat and let everything cook in together. This ensures that your black beans slowly and completely absorb all the flavors from your ingredients, and you will notice that at this point your pot is going to be dry. Once everything is absorbed by your black beans is where you're gonna add some more water into your black beans to ensure that your black beans have some soup. When you're adding water, make sure you add enough water to make sure that your black beans have some soup to them once they fully cook. Otherwise, you're gonna have dry black beans, and that is how it ends up being dry na inakugwara kwa throat. So these black beans go perfectly well with some white rice or some pilau or some turmeric rice, or if you don't want to have rice, you can have it with chapati or any kind of starch really of your choice. And that's it, guys. Try making your black beans like this and you will not complain of black beans again. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and until next time, bye.